Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization in here. That's it for s. This is about identity. We can do about s minus 1 multiplied by s plus 1. Next, we need to do about partial fractions. So capital A over S and capital B over S minus 1 and capital C over S plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. So capital A we multiply by S minus 1, S plus 1. So I can put into S squared minus 1. Capital B multiplied by S and S plus 1. I can put into S squared plus S. About C, we multiply by S and S minus 1. So we have S squared minus S. And we put S multiplied by S minus 1, S plus 1. And now we need to arrange based on the term of S. About S squared, we have A plus B plus C. About S, we have B minus C. About nothing, we have negative A. Now, if we look carefully about coefficient of S squared, this is about number 1. So A plus B plus C equals to number 1. This is about number 2. So B minus C equals to number 2. And negative A equals to negative number 6. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solution of ABC. So we have 8 equals to number 6. B equals to negative number 3 over 2. And C equals to negative number 7 over 2. And now we put the value of A, B, C go in here. So A equals to number 6, B equals to negative number 3 over 2, C equals to negative number 7 over 2. The integration of this one, we have 6 ln of the absolute value of S minus 3 over 2. We have ln of the absolute value of S minus 1. And we have negative number 7 over 2. ln of the absolute value of S plus 1. And we put about C in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.